Hello there, my name is Beatmaster Ray, and I'm going to be showing you how to create a vanilla Minecraft Hamachi server on a Mac OS X. Here we go. Alright, first we're going to want to download the Minecraft server.jar, and this download link will be in the description. You're going to want to go to minecraft.net, click download, then in the bottom left corner, Minecraft_server.jar. You're going to wait for that to download. Once that's downloaded, we can close this. We can go to the downloads folder. And we can find the Minecraft server.jar. You drag this file into your server here. Remember, this is crucial. One of the mistakes that many new players make is to click on this. Do not click on this. It just won't work. Okay, so you can close this again. And then you are going to want to open text edit. And when this comes up, you're going to want to go to the tutorial for setting up a server, which can be found right here or in the description. And then right here, sorry as my computer loads, alright, right here you're going to want to copy this and minimize this again. Put this in here. Good. Alright, so after this, you're going to want to determine how much RAM is dedicated to your server. This is 1 GB of RAM. If you have, say, 4 GB of RAM, you might want to increase this to 2 GB of RAM or 3 GB of RAM. But for now, we're just going to keep it at 2. Make sure to save this file. Name it start.command. Make sure to change this to plain text. And when it asks you where to save it, say desktop. Alright, so now that we got this file, we can close that. So, put this into your server. Now, it might be like this. If it is, click it and change it to .command again. When it asks this question, do not say keep text, but use .command. Now it will say start.command. This is the folder part of the video is complete. Now you're going to want to get Hamachi. So you can go into Safari. This link will also be in the description. Alright, once you're here, you're going to want to check the conditions of use and download the unmanaged version. Alright, and when you're done with that, you're going to want to exit and run the file and then install it. And what you're going to want to do is create a network and the network ID can be anything you want, and so can the password. So then after you've made network, all your friends can join by that network and that password by clicking network, join an existing network. Now you can minimize your Hamachi, press start.command, and it's going to ask, this is downloaded from the internet, are you sure you want to open it? Say open. And if this comes up, then you're going to have to do something very specific. Alright, so you're going to want to open terminal. So we have a new terminal here. You're going to want to go back, go to download. Then you're going to want to go to the wiki article again. And then MacOsx instructions. And then when you're here, you will find here Chmod A+X. You want to copy that. This will be in the description as well. Put and paste this here. Put a space, that's very important. Drag the start.command. You can minimize that if you want to. Make sure you're in it. And now it's authorized to, you press enter and it's authorized to be used. I'm actually going to skip through this part because it's not important. 182, 27 achievements. And then it's starting to load your server. All these error messages are completely normal. Alright, this server is done loading. Now you have all these files in your server. I'm going to go ahead and stop the server. And that will stop the server. And then you're left with your server. On a Mac, you're going to have to go to Server Properties, right-click, Open With, Other, Text Edit, always open with, Open. Now, what you're going to want to do is replace the server IP with this server IP you see here in your Hamachi. So in my case it's 5.62.3.81 or something. But whatever. And then so that's what that is. And then you can change what it says. You know, duck sauce. Good. And then we have game mode here, so you can change 0 is survival and 1 is creative. You'll be able to change that in game if you are opt. I'll show you that in a minute. And then you can say allow flight or enable a query. Level type is usually default unless you want a flat world for some reason. And so you can say PvP true, difficulty 1, 2, 3, easy, medium, hard. And then you can just save this version and go back. And then so you have a whitelist here, which you can open with text edit. And you have an ops here, which you can open with text edit as well. After you're done editing all these, then you can start up your server. Your friends can join through your Hamachi server. And yeah, it's all good. Yeah, it's finished. Your server is finished. And you can name this your server. And you can be done with it. So that's how you create a Minecraft vanilla server. Thank you, and subscribe.